Day 2. Day 2 vlog. Day 2 guys. Day 2. Day 2 vlog.
You're taking the
Floor. They came. ഇതൊക്കെ സിനിമയാ
continental breakfast.
He is having puri bhaji.
Priya, average is also not easy.
What are you waiting for? We are just still waiting. Nothing. No food.
Papa, look at this.
What?
Pause. When I do this, I would say this. When it's pause. See?
Where are we heading? Dubai Mall. Philinian family is heading to Dubai Mall. What are you gonna do? Dubai Mall. What are you gonna do at Dubai Mall?
There's some like
So many Eiffel Towers.
so many like fun games to play.
Fun games there. In
They
Dubai.
have
I thought you want to see the tank. I mean the aquarium.
how is there an aquarium?
There's an aquarium of a big What's that?
Burj Khalifa.
Happy New Year!
Happy New Year!
The city is Dubai then.
Dubai? Dubai City, or you can say Dubai City.
Just Dubai.
What?
Dubai is enough.
Okay.
We will lead the way.
That's the frame.
Fixing the lights.
ഏതോ പത്തലയിൽ പെട്രോൾ ഉണ്ടാക്കിയെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഭയങ്കര ന്യൂസായിരുന്നു. അവന്റെ നാട്ടിലെല്ലാ ഓട്ടോറിക്ഷക്കാരും പുള്ളിയുടെ വീട്ടിൽ പോയിട്ടാണ് പെട്രോൾ അടിക്കുന്നത്. 1 രൂപയ്ക്കാണ് പെട്രോൾ കൊടുക്കുന്നത്. 50 റിയാൽ എന്നുള്ള സമയത്താണ്.
Petrol price in Qatar.
Qatar is only 2 riyals.
Here is how much?
It is like 5 riyals, 4 point something.
Huh?
Double. Happy New Year! Right here. ഇവിടെ പ്ലാനറ്റേറിയം ഒക്കെ ഉണ്ടെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു കേട്ടോ. Oh, nice. So we're going to watch the Dolphin Show. It's a nice place. It's all in one, I think. planetarium, everything is here. It's an agriculture department of Dubai municipality.
Yeah, like this.
Zoya and the Eskimo.
Hi, Tappy.
It is separate, huh?
Oh, it's separate. This is just an entry fee.
Yes.
Here, dolphinarium, come.
Yes, sir.
Come on.
Come on, pass.
Make it fast, make it fast. Make it fast, make it fast, make it fast. ഇവിടെ തന്നെ ഉണ്ടോ?
അല്ലടാ ടിക്കറ്റ് മേടിക്കണ്ടേ?
ആ
Ticket വാങ്ങിച്ചില്ലേ അപ്പ?
ഡോൾഫിൻ ആരെങ്കിലും കൊണ്ടുപോകും.
Raj, come.
Let's go fast. Go to the front, go. Take any seat, any seat. That side, okay.
Which one?
Go, Sabi, go.
Remember, every football has a number on it.
Go.
Go there.
At the same time. Now right now, the shoe will begin in double.
Alright, DJ, it's time to make a celebration for the end of the year. Everybody, it's time for some clubbing before we start the show. Everybody, hola, la piscina Marusa. Yalla. Take it. Yeah. What's your name? Yes, sir. One more. Yalla. In 3, 2, 1. The Dolphins can come on. Yes, sir. Happy birthday to you. Come on. Why am I coming back? Because it's time to go to the front stage. I must have Amami. Never want to know. The brothers. Come on! Wow, super good. We show the spotlight. Guardians of the ocean. We show Dolphin. The Dolphin. We show the spotlight.
Okay, we're all going to take picture with the dolphins.
The dolphins are.
Oh, watch your step.
Picture with the dolphins.
No picture
No?
taking.
Saka yung DC, what the distance is this? DC and DC.
What's that, show me?
DC pa dito.
Initial.
Tapos may corona ng layon. Ito may corona ng layon. Yun na yun. Ano sir, scenario?
Show me the alphabets, huh?
There's China is now like in the building in front of me. So, yeah.